Guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the reverse lights on your 2016 Subaru Outback. Today we're going to be installing these Auxito LED lights. These are a direct plug-and-play replacement bulb. They're a lot brighter. So this bulb is actually going to be a 921 T15 replacement. And to get started, you're just going to simply open up the lift gate in the back. We've got a couple access panels that we need to remove in order to gain access to these lights. You can see them right here. So there's a little bit of a slot right here. All you're going to do is just grab yourself a little trim tool or a flathead screwdriver and pop this cover off. All right, simply grab the trim tool, install it and pry out like that. You can see there's a bunch of fingers that are on this side, so it has to come down like this. Once that's removed and out of the way, you can see that we've got our reverse light socket right here. Just simply turn it counterclockwise to unlock it out of the lens assembly. There's the bulb right there. We're going to pull this thing out, pull straight out, and you can see it's a 921. And we're just going to grab one of these. We're going to put it in. Now, these are polarity sensitive. So we're going to put the car in reverse, make sure it comes on before we install everything. If it doesn't come on, you just simply pull it out, turn it 180 degrees and put it back in. Okay, now we're just going to feed that back into the lens assembly. There is little alignment tabs that are on the side of the socket, so just simply twist this until those line up and the light bulb socket passes through the lens, and then simply turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Once that's done, just take this cover, line the fingers back up, pop it into place, and that's it. So let's close this thing and see the difference between LED and regular bulb. Wow, those are quite different. I really like the LED. It makes it look super modern. It's very white. And honestly, I think that's worth an upgrade right there in itself. If you want some of these, check the link in the description. Auxito's got you covered for all kinds of light bulbs. Doesn't matter what you drive, they got light bulbs for you, I swear. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you got questions, throw them down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.